As a property owner in India, understanding how a property can be transferred in compliance with the Indian government's guidelines can help. There are several ways a transfer of property can take place. Also, there may be different rules for non-resident Indians, NRI, and persons of Indian origin, or OCIs. It begins with understanding different types of transfer of property. You may find this brief overview insightful. Firstly, before initiating a property transfer, it's crucial to know the Indian property law process and legal documents required, and be aware of any potential tax implications and restrictions that could apply to NRI and OCI. This enables a more streamlined approach towards transferring your property. Let's take a quick look at the different methods of transfer. Here's an overview of 3 ways to transfer immovable assets in India: transfer by sale, transfer by gift, and transfer by mortgage. Each method carries its own set of legal procedures and rules that need adhering to, depending on whether you're an NRI, PIO, or a foreign national of non-Indian origin. To transfer Indian property in India by way of sale means to sell a property to a buyer, transferring the ownership rights of the property. The RBI allows NRI and OCI to sell their residential or commercial property in India to any resident of India or another NRI without prior approval from the RBI. However, if the property being sold is agricultural land or plantation property, then prior approval from the RBI is required. Property transfer by gift is governed by the Transfer of Property Act 1882. According to the Act, a gift is the transfer of certain existing movable or immovable property made voluntarily and without consideration. An NRI or OCI can transfer their property through a mortgage. The transfer of title takes place through a mortgage deed. Lastly, the transfer of property and subsequent legal process may vary from state to state. As you can see, immovable assets in India, ancestral or otherwise, are subject to several processes and legal implications. Overall, it depends on your circumstances as to which route may be best for you. I hope this was helpful. You can always visit us at whitecroftford.com. Until again, best wishes.